The architecture. Why this setup is so potent. At its core, you're combining three powerful layers. Gemini 2.5 Flash, Google's ultra-fast, low-latency model designed for real-time reasoning, code generation, and long context understanding. Cursor AI, a developer-first code editor that wraps AI into your workflow with chat, inline edits, and autonomous agents. Direct API access, which gives you full control over how Gemini behaves, bypassing any limitations of pre-configured integrations. This isn't just a productivity boost, it's a paradigm shift in how you interact with code. Bring what Gemini 2.5 Flash brings to the table. Gemini 2.5 Flash is engineered for speed and efficiency. It's not just fast, it's smart fast. Here's what makes it special. Sub-second response times for most prompts. Massive context window, up to 1M tokens in some environments. Multimodal capabilities, text, code, image inputs in some sets. High reasoning accuracy for complex logic and multi-step tasks. When you call it via API, you're tapping into this raw power directly. No throttling, no abstraction layers. Toolbox Cursor AI, the interface that makes it click. Cursor isn't just a VS Code clone with a chatbot. It's a purpose-built AI IDE. Here's how it enhances Gemini. Inline chat, highlight code, ask questions, get instant fixes or explanations. Composer, generate entire files or components from scratch. Client agent, an autonomous AI that can edit multiple files, install dependencies, and even run scripts. Contextual awareness. Cursor uses retrieval augmented generation, RAG, to feed Gemini the most relevant code snippets. And because you're using the API, you could override or extend this behavior, for example, by injecting your own context or chaining prompts programmatically. Hammer and wrench real-world use cases you're probably already exploring. Given your interest in tools like Augment, Warp Terminal, and Monaco Editor, here's how this setup can supercharge your workflow. Single-file web apps. Ask Gemini to generate a complete HTML/CSS/JS app in one go, perfect for rapid prototyping. Component libraries. Build reusable UI components with Tailwind, Chakra UI, or custom CSS. Gemini handles structure, styling, and accessibility. AI agents inside the browser. Use Gemini to scaffold agents that interact with DOM elements, APIs, or even other AI models. Workflow automation. Write scripts that call the Gemini API to refactor code bases, generate tests, or document functions, all from your terminal or CI pipeline. Test tube example. Building a Visual-themed web app. Let's say you want to build a vibrant, color-themed landing page. Prompt Gemini. Create a responsive landing page with a Visual color palette using Tailwind CSS. Use Composer, generate the layout, then split it into components. Refine with inline chat. Ask Gemini to tweak contrast ratios or add animations. Deploy. Use a script, also generated by Gemini, to bundle and deploy the app. UV.